What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and you can see that I'm super pumped and I'm super excited to share this information with you guys because in this video today, we're going to be talking about passive income again. Now, a few days ago, I did a video about how to generate passive income with no investment, and basically you had to put in a little work up front, a little bit of elbow grease, and you could generate some passive income on the back end. But in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you a way that you really don't have to put in much work at all. I mean, you really just basically do some things that you do every single day. I'm going to show you in this video that you can make anywhere between $100 to $1,000 a month, literally just doing what you do every single day. You don't want to miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so before we actually jump into the video, if this is your very first time here to my channel, I'm John McNeil. On this channel, we teach you about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually generate passive income. We're talking about hundreds and even $1,000 a month doing what I'm about to show you right now. All right, guys, so let's go to jump right in this video. So I'm here at a website called Carvatize. Carvatize, I really like that name. And let's just let the cat out of the bag right now. So what we're going to be doing here is essentially just driving our car, doing our regular routine and getting paid. So what Carvatize does is they basically work with big companies, big brands that want to promote and market their businesses. And they do that by wrapping your car. So you can see here on the screen, these cars are wrapped by different companies and they want to promote their brands, their logos, their messaging, whatever they're trying to promote. They're trying to get the word out. And why not do it with a car wrapping? Because thousands and even millions of people will see that as the months and years go by. So this is what Carvatize does, and I wanted to kind of show you guys the process of what happens. So this is how it works. Initially, when you sign up and do a driver application. So that's basically going to get the information. You do need to have a clean driving record. So that's one of the caveats of joining this actual program. So you got to have a clean driving record. And then you also have to drive a certain amount of miles every single day. I believe it was like 30 miles that you have to drive every single day, which is extremely easy because you think about if you're going to work, if you're going to the grocery store, you're picking up the kids, you're going to church, you're going on a little weekend getaway, you're constantly driving. This is something that you do every single day. You're not taking away from anything that you're doing in your life, and you can actually get paid from this. So you do the driver application. Carvatize actually matches you with a brand. So the brand is going to look at where you're from, your driving routines, and where you go, and see if you're driving enough. And then when there's a match, they'll actually match you up with that company, and then you can actually start earning money. So some of these driving positions are short term, and then some are long term. So there's people, when I read some of the reviews on this, that have been using this site for years, and they've been getting paid via direct deposit every single month from that particular company and from that particular brand. Now, if the campaign ends, then they take the wrapping off of your car, and then you can also apply for another job. Your application is always on file. So this is an easy way that you can actually take your car that is a liability, right? So if you have a car and you're making a car note, the car note does nothing for you. That vehicle does nothing for you but suck money out of your pocket, and you're paying the interest and you're paying the principal on that thing, and it just depreciates, so it does nothing for you. So why not take that depreciating asset and make it an appreciating asset where your vehicle can actually make you money? Because if you think about it, if you can get one of these long-term campaigns where you're getting $500 a month and even $1,000 a month, more than likely you're going to be able to pay off your car note and cover any expenses that you currently have with your car, and it just makes your car absolutely free. So again, this is probably one of the most passive ways you can actually generate income. This isn't taxing, this isn't laborious, you don't have to invest any money. This is absolutely free, and all you're going to be doing is do something that you do every single day, which is drive your car. So that's Carvertise. I wanted to show you guys that website. So if you're interested, go over to the website and just go ahead and start the application process. The second website I wanted to show you is called Wrapify. And Wrapify essentially does the same exact thing. These companies will actually pay you to wrap their car. What they do is a little bit different, is they have an app that you would actually put on your phone. And in that app, you would actually drive around a little bit. So what they do is they look at your driving patterns, and then again, they match your driving patterns up with a company. So they want to know that you're driving, 100 minutes a day, or that you're driving a certain amount of miles every single day. You're in your car a lot, because they don't want the car to just be sitting at home, not showing the wrap. They want people that are driving constantly. So they have the app that's on your phone, and you would actually do your normal driving, and then they'll see that and they'll match you with a brand, and then they'll actually start paying you. Now on Wrapify, from what I researched and what I saw online, they don't get paid as much as the individuals on Carvertise. So with Wrapify, I saw anywhere between $100 to $300. Again, this is monthly income for doing something that you're going to do anyways. You're going to drive your car anyways. You're going to go to all these places that you already go to anyways. You're going to burn up that gas, and you're not going to make any money from it. But this is something that you can do, that you're going to do anyways and get paid from it. So again, what I would do, if this is something that you're interested in, I would check out both sites. I would apply for both sites. I would apply for Wrapify, and I would apply for Carvertise, because that way you have more opportunity to, get selected by a company, get your car wrapped, and get paid. Turn that liability, that vehicle that's a liability, into an asset, and at least get your car note paid for, your expenses paid for, and your car becomes free, right? If your car is already paid off and you don't have a car note, then now you're actually creating income, positive cash flow that can go into your pocket, that you can use to invest more, to have fun more, just to have more money in your life. And this is the easiest, most passive way that I've actually ever seen online. And if I find something else, you'll know I'll do a video on it. But for right now, this is the one. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys are going to check out, Carvertise or Wrapify, if this is something that you guys are interested in. And make sure you check out my #1 recommendation to make money online with affiliate marketing. It'll be the first link in the description. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.